Hi, in this video we will see two examples of linear equations and we will try to find out the value of x, right? This is our first example, x upon 5 plus x minus 3 is equal to 9, and this is second example where we have 4x minus 3 in a bracket divided by 3 is equal to x plus 1 in a bracket, right? So let us solve this example first, example 1. So in this example we have x upon 5 plus x minus 3 is equal to 9, right? In this example we need to find out the value of x, right? Let me write down the complete equation. So we have x upon 5 plus x minus 3 is equal to 9, right? So for the first step I will try to remove this number from left hand side, right? So here if I see we have x upon 5, second term is only x, but the third term is minus 3. So I will try to remove minus 3 from left hand side. And how will I do that? For that I will write the equation as it is. Minus 3 is equal to 9. I am going to add 3 both the sides. This way this plus 3 and minus 3 will cancel each other, and on the left hand side we will have only x upon 5 plus x is equal to 9 plus 3 is 12. Okay, now this becomes very simple. X upon 5 we will write as it is. For x it is nothing but x upon 1, right? And this is equal to 12. Now we need to find out LCM of 5 and 1. LCM of 5 and 1 is 5. LCM of 5 and 1 is equal to 5. Okay. Now we need to make both these fractions denominator to 5, right? Let us see how we do that. For x upon 5 we do not make any change because here denominator is already 5. So x upon 5 will be x upon 5 only. For x upon 1 I have to make denominator 5. So what will I do to make denominator 5? I will multiply both numerator and denominator by 5, right? This way at the numerator's place we have 5x, and at the denominator's place we have 1 multiplied by 5, that is 5. Okay, so x upon 5 plus x, let us focus here. X upon 5 will be as it is, plus for x upon 1 we can write 5x upon 5. This is we have seen now. 5x upon 5 is equal to 12. Okay, now this is very simple to add. At the denominator's place we have 5 because we have a common denominator. So at the denominator's place we will write 5, and for the numerator's place I will write x plus this 5x, and this is equal to 12. Okay, so at the numerator's place we have x plus 5x is nothing but 6x, and at the denominator's place we have 5 is equal to 12. Okay, so far we have 6x upon 5 is equal to 12. I will go to next slide. So we have 6x upon 5 is equal to 12. Now I have to remove 5 from the denominator's place. How will I do that? 6x upon 5 is equal to 12. In order to remove 5 from denominator, I will multiply 5 both the sides, right? So this 5 and this 5 will cancel each other, and now we have 6x is equal to 12 multiplied by 5 is 60. Now in order to find out the value of x, I need to remove 6 from 6x. How shall I do that? Let me write it down here. 6x is equal to 60. So both the sides I will divide by 6, right? So this 6 and this 6 will cancel each other. Here we have x is equal to 60 can be written as 10 multiplied by 6, and at the denominator's place we already have 6. So this 6 and this 6 will cancel each other, and what we have is 10. Got it? So for this example we found the value of x is 10. Okay. Hope you understood this example. Let me move to next example. Okay, for this example as well, we need to find out the value of x. X is equal to what? Okay, let me write it down the complete equation again. 4x minus 3 in a bracket divided by 3 is equal to x plus 1, right? And for the first step, I have to remove 3 from the denominator. So what shall we do? In order to remove the denominator, I am going to multiply both sides by 3. Okay, so this 3 and this 3 will cancel each other, and what we have is 4x minus 3 is equal to, when we multiply x by 3, then we have 3x, then we have plus sign, and 1 is multiplied by 3 is 3, right? So this is what we got. Let me write it down, right? And we need to find out the value of x. So what shall we do? Here we have 3x and here we have 4x. So both the sides, let me write it down first. And because I have to remove 3x from right hand side, what I am going to do? I am going to subtract 3x from both the sides. Because there is an equal to sign, so I have to make sure that whatever I am doing on the left hand side, I also do the same on the right hand side, right? Or whatever I am adding or subtracting on the right hand side, I also need to add or subtract on the left hand side. For this example, I have subtracted 3x from the right hand side because I have to remove 3x, right? And that's why I have subtracted 3x from the left hand side as well. Okay, so this minus 3x and this plus 3x will cancel each other, and on the right hand side we have only 3, right? And on the left hand side we have this plus 4x minus 3x. This is what? Only x. And then we have minus 3. So now our equation is x minus 3 is equal to 3. Now I have to remove minus 3 from left hand side, right? So x minus 3 is equal to 3. Because I have to remove minus 3, I am going to add 3. And because there is a plus sign, I have added 3 on the left hand side, so I have to add 3 on the right hand side as well, right? So this plus 3 and minus 3 will cancel each other, and what we have is x. And this is equal to 3 plus 3 is 6, right? So for this linear equation, we found that the value of x is equal to 6. Okay, so these are the two examples we solved. In example 1, we saw x upon 5 plus x minus 3 is equal to 9, and value of x is 10 in this case, right? And for the second example, 4x minus 3 within a bracket divided by 3 is equal to x plus 1, and we saw that the value of x is 6 in this case, right? So hope you understood these two examples very well, and you can solve any similar type of examples on your own, right? So in my next video, I will bring more examples. Thank you for watching.